You may have asked yourself, what is an organizational coach? What is it that Jennifer does and what services does she provide? Well, organizing is actually a very simple process. It's just 4 easy, simple steps. But organizing, where it becomes a little bit more complicated, is that we think that organizing is about the size of our home and the amount of stuff that we have and then using that space more efficiently. And while those parts do play into it, it's actually far more about the stuff that lives up here in our head, rent-free, might I add. It's the justifications, it's our relationship with stuff, it's the stories that we tell ourselves as to why we have to keep things and we can't let them go. So as a coach, just like if you were hiring a tennis coach or a basketball coach, a coach is there to support you, to help show you the tactics and the right moves, but also to watch you in process and then help you adjust accordingly. And the point of coaching is the sustainable transformation. So if you've thought, okay, that sounds great, I really want to work with Jennifer, then I want to give you the 3 options that I have. So the first package, I call it just Jumpstart My Organizing, and it's perfect for the woman who is ready to get started. She just doesn't want to wait any longer. The stuff is driving her crazy and she's just ready to go. And that is a 1-month package, and we do a little bit of inner work and we do a little bit of outer work, but it really is just to get you started and get you on the right track. The second package is called Focus Determination. So the idea of a jumpstart sounds really good, but you know that it's not really going to scratch the surface of what you have going on. So Focus Determination would be a better option for you. And so that's 3-month time commitment. It's not that long. It actually goes back really fast. And we do a little bit more inner work, a little bit more outer work, but we focus on more of the home, really, so I can see what are the hurdles that are getting in the way. But my flagship package is my favorite, and I don't want to choose favorites, but it is mine, and it's designed specifically for the woman who's ready to take charge of her relationship with stuff and with her home and really rewrite that story and clear space to make space for whatever it is that she's ready, whether it be health, better relationships with others, to pursue a passion project that's been on her heart, or really just to untether from busy, because busyness is something that we've all gotten really accustomed to, and it's time that we untether from that. So the flagship package is 9 months, and we focus on the entire house. Lots of inner work, lots of outer work, but lots of support all along the way. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, then just send me a direct message and I'll send you more information.